dragons, a young king was born.
Hello everyone. You know how everyone talk about AI tools these days. Well, if you want to create those jaw-dropping Hollywood style effect or face swapping character like this is the Thanos. Hello guys, I'm Thanos. As you can see, my face is swapped into the Thanos, all perfect and smooth. And Vecna, hi, this is the Vecna. You can do lot of things on this AI. Say hello to Higgsfield. You can do lot of things on this platform like image to video, text to image, and lip sync, face swap. Everything you can do on this platform. And this video is sponsored by Higgsfield AI. In this video, we are creating entire Hollywood style film using Higgsfield AI. Creating film script, text to image to video, sound effect, background music, final editing, everything. I will walk you through the step by step so that you can create yourself. At the end, I'm sure you're gonna love this final film. So please watch the till the end. So this is the complete workflow that we are going to follow to create this kind of Hollywood style AI film. Also, we will cover all of this text to image section, logo design, AI mockups, and upscaling, and image to video with the sound effect, start and frame, and take talking characters, and much more. So first is story script. For this story script, I'm using this chat GPT and I have provided my idea what kind of story I want, and chat GPT gave me this entire story for my this film. So as you can see on the screen, this is the my story for this entire film. Second is storyboard ideation. You have to think how much slides you want for this story and write the each scene idea slide by slide. As you can see, I have done in this storyboard. So go to the Higgsfields.ai and we are going to create the image first. So go to the image section and we will use this Nano Banana Pro feature. I really like this Nano Banana Pro image model because this create really amazing and realistic images. So we are going to take the size 60:9 and I'm going to create this 4K image first. And if you enable this unlimited feature, then it won't take your credits. So I'm going to use this prompt. Basically, this is the logo prompt and my logo name is Draconic, and in this logo, I want the dragon texture on the logo and O will be eye of the dragon. Let's create the 1K image and 2K image as well. So these are my generated logos and all logos are looking amazing, but I like the last logo because this texture and logo detailing, everything is looking amazing. So we are going to use this one. As you can see, this also looking amazing, but I'm going to use this one. So let's download this logo. So click on this download. So now we are going to create this energy drink mockup. So upload this logo image and paste this prompt. I have generated this prompt in the assist feature, and let's make the image size 9:16 and click on this generate. So let's create few more. So click on this generate multiple times. So these are the multiple generated images and I like this energy drink mockup final. So I'm going to use this in this entire film. Now we will create the main character of this story. So go to the assist feature and I'm going to use the GPT-5 model. Paste your story in this box and tell the chat GPT what kind character do you want. So basically I want the character like the Game of Thrones outfit and beard face. It will give you the character prompt, how it will look like and his facial and outfit, everything. So copy this entire prompt and go to the image and Nano Banana Pro model and paste this prompt, and I'm going to make this image size vertical 9:16 and click on this generate button. This story character is looking good, but we have to make this his full body also. So select this image and drag and drop onto it and type this prompt, give me the image of his full body, and it will give you the both images that you can use this entire film. So now I'm going to use the dragon image model for the reference image and copy this image and go to the again Nano Banana and paste this image and type this prompt, give me the full body of the dragon and image size 60:90. Oh my god, this dragon detailing is looking really amazing. So I will use this image for the entire film. So drag and drop this image or upload this image here and type this prompt to give the close-up shot of this dragon and click on this generate. Wow, this dragon image also looking amazing like the original image. Now we have to upscale all of this image. So go to the edit feature and click on this upscale and upload this dragon image to upscale this image. So I'm going to upload this and X2 image and click on this upscale. You can use X2, X4, whatever one, but as you can see, this detailing is really amazing. And I love this detailing work. Everything is looking real. So I can't see anything right now because I love this. So these are my film main characters and product. And we will use these images while generating film scenes. So let's start creating all of these scenes. So we need the prompt. You can type manually or go to this assist feature and ask the ChatGPT to give you the prompt. So it will give me the prompt of the 1 to 10 slides. And you can use all of this prompt for this text to image. So I'm going to paste this first prompt and it will give me the kingdom sky shot view. And as you can see, this is looking really good. So we will use this for the image to video. Let's use the second prompt. This time I'm using this reference image and it will give me the consistency of the same image. And click on the generate. As you can see, this is the same image, but we have added the dragon. Now let's create the king's childhood face. So upload this king image and paste this prompt. It will give me the child version of the king image. So using this reference same method, we can create a lot of images like this. I have created multiple more shots. So these are my all storyboard images that I have generated using the same method. Text to image feature and upload the reference image. Then it will give you like these images. Now let's replace the product. Go to the edit and click on this nano banana in paint and upload this image. So I'm going to use this image energy drink can is hand. So in paint this entire area of this energy drink. And I'm going to use this Red Bull to show you how you can replace the image. So let's copy and paste and type this prompt, replace this product and click on this edit. As you can see, replacement is very perfect and smooth and shadow lighting, everything is perfect and looking really realistic. Now we will swap the face. So go to the image section and click on this face swap. So this face is not same, so we will swap this face. So in the your photo section, upload your main original image. So I'm using this face and drag and drop this face target image and click on this generate. Now its face swap it perfectly. It is 100% the same person that we have uploaded. This you can see before and this is the after. And this is amazing job. You can see the difference between the original image and this one. Now let's create the image to video. So go to the video section and we will use this 1.2.6. It gives the sound effect with the all AI generated videos. So I'm going to animate the dragon image, this one. So upload this dragon image here and paste this prompt. If you enable this enhance on, then it will automatically enhance your prompt. And enable this use multiple shots, then it means it will give you the multiple shot animation of the same image. Click on this generate. So video render is ready and this means use multiple shots. It will give you like this multiple angle of the same image. This looking little fake, so I'm going to turn off this use multiple shots and regenerate it again. And this render is really amazing. I like this one. So we will use this scene. So all of these Google View models give the video with the sound effect. And this Killing 2.6 feature also give the sound effect. And OpenAI Sora 2 also give the sound effect with the video. Now we will create the image to video talking characters. So upload this image. This one we will make this character talking. Upload this image and paste this prompt. In this prompt, the soldier is saying, "My lord, what is that?" And video AI model, I'm using this Kling 2.6. It gives the sound effect with the talking character. So let's click the generate and see the result.
My lord, what is that?
So this result is really amazing, and I have generated few more
Our king
talking
is a
characters.
coward.
Yes, he's still a child.
He has never stood where men die.
Now let's create the start and end frame. So go to the video section, and I'm using this Kling 2.5 Turbo. This AI model gives the start and end frame feature, and I'm using this journal feature and upload the first image. So I'm using this first image, and this is my second image. So upload the second image as well and click on this generate, and I have already pasted the prompt. Now we will use the Kling 01 feature to combine all of these images into a single video. So now go to the video section and click on this Kling 01 edit feature. So I will upload all of these three images in the images and elements section. So first is battleground, and second is king, and third is dragon. Now clear the prompt section, and we are going to use all of these three images. So for the using image, type @, and select the first image, this battleground, and type in the war the king @, select the king image, second images, and again writes the dragon dragon. So select the third image is dragon, and again and @, and this battleground image enters the battle when dragon comes down from the sky, dragon image, and the king, select the king image, jump from the dragon onto the battlefield, and click on the generate. For the background music, I have used this suno.com, and suno.com gives the very good background music, so you can use this if you want. Now go back to the Higgsfield.ai, and we will create the voiceover. So go to the video section and click on this lip sync studio and click on this audio section. I have already generated few voiceovers, so there are a lot of AI voiceover models, so you can use any of them. I have used this Teco model. So this is the my voiceover script. You can click on this generate button to generate your voiceover and click on this download button. Now we will make this voice cinematic style.
In the land of dragons, a young king was born, burdened with responsibilities and abandoned by his realm. In the land.
So for the compositing and editing, we are using this Adobe Premiere Pro, and this is our voice.
In the land of dragons, a young king was born.
So we will make this voice heavy. So go to the effects and search pitch shifter and apply onto this sound, and click on this edit. You have to decrease this value like this. So I would like go to -2.
In the land of dragons, a young king was born, burdened with responsibilities and abandoned by his realm.
And if you want to make it more heavy, then you have to decrease it more.
By his realm, with responsibilities.
Now let's edit the entire film. Basically, editing was very easy. Trim and combine. You can see my timeline, how I edited this entire film. This will give you some idea. So after spending 72 hours, this is my final render, and I am very excited to show you the final film.
In the land of dragons, a young king was born, burdened with responsibilities and abandoned by his realm. The question remains, will he be lost in his solitude?
Our king is a coward.
Yes, he's still a child. He is still a kid. Yes, he is a kid.
draconic. It's my strength.
War ended. The dragon rested. And a new power was born. Draconic.